Hello friends, this tutorial will help you how to use VMware Workstation, and how to make virtual operating system. First you need to enable virtualization from your BIOS setup. Depends on your various BIOS versions. If it's already enabled, then skip this step and move to forward. Secondly, you need VMware Workstation, so I given the download link in the description. After the download, install the VMware. This takes some time, so be patient. Okay, I'm doing fast forward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and choose the installation directory. Wait for the installation. This installation takes some time, so let's move forward. Okay, now we installed VMware Workstation. For creating virtual operating system, you need a disk or ISO file for operating system of your desire. Right-click on the free space of your library and click New Virtual Machine. As you see, I have Windows 7 ISO 32-bit. And you also can use Ubuntu, Mac OS X, Linux operating system. Power on the virtual machine. Now you have to install operating system, just like regular installation. You see Windows installation setup has opened. I'm skipping the Windows installation process because I already have it. After the installation it's going to be looks like this. It's my already made virtual machine, so let's power this on. You see this virtual machine successfully working. Now you can use multiple operating systems, just like I said before. You also can use Ubuntu Mac OS X and Linux operating system. I'll cover how to use Linux operating system on VMware Workstation in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, so please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.